So today I'm going to quickly show you how you're going to be able to add cash onto your SoFi Money account. So we have our account loaded up here in real time, and I'm going to quickly show you where you can find this information. So from right over here on the main screen, you're going to click on the More button right over here, and it's going to take you to an area that shows you a bunch of options. There is one that says Deposit Cash. So when you click on Deposit Cash, this is going to show you all the ATMs that you can actually go to put in money that will go into your SoFi Money account. Now, of course, you do need to have your debit card already, so that way you can plug in that debit card into the ATM before putting in your cash. So if you click on Find a Location, you're going to go ahead and click on there. Now, keep in mind that a lot of the ATMs will probably incur a fee for you when it comes to depositing your money. I don't know how much that's going to be because it can vary widely between different ATMs, but just something to keep in mind when going through that process and depositing cash. Now, from here, you can go ahead and just type in your address, and it'll show you a ton of different options where you can actually go ahead and go to the ATM and put your money in and have it into your SoFi Money account. Now, I want you to keep on learning more about how to utilize SoFi Money, so check out my video right over here to learn all about it. My name is Dennis, and I'll see you in that next video.